Yeah, I'm pushing buttons. I'm pushing buttons. I don't want to be pushing buttons. So today I have a chore. A bunch of damn chores, but today I have a specific one. And I noticed the audio on this thing's horrible, so I may switch to my phone again. The one thing is I want to film in the car sometimes, and the phone's all connected to the, the GPS and the audio and the music and all that stuff, so it's hard. But anyway, today I'm going on a hunting trip. Got my camo hat on, even though it's Dallas Stars, but it's still camo because we have to get deer. Now these deer are pretty easy for me to catch, but we'll see. And what I have to do, how I have to violate these deer, I'm going to put all on camera for everybody to see. Ready? There they are. See, in their natural habitat, guarding my front yard. I got to put my Christmas decorations away. That and that are the last of the pieces out here. And since tomorrow it's supposed to get cold, it's supposed to, this big old cold snap that everybody's talking about is supposed to hit. So I need to get this stuff put away. So yeah, this is my last chance, I think, to do it. So we're gonna get this fired up. Let's see if we can't do a little I don't know, long distance thing. Let's see. See if I can't set this up. I set you guys. See, I already got a deer down. I can see I got one. I don't know why hunting's so hard. I already got one. Laying on the side here. So here's the part where I have to violate these deer. To get all three in that little box, I have to take his head, antlers, and jam it up his ass. It all goes inside him. And this is gruesome. So this part might be not for the faint of heart, but we'll see. The first thing, I got to get all the things that bring this around, and I got to cut. Got my cutters. Cutters right here. Clippers. Wow, that's a piece of the car I don't want rolling out here. Put that up there. So his head kept trying to fall off this winter, or this Christmas. I had to zip tie it to it. So that's done. And there's literally a trash can right behind you, and I missed it. Okay. Can't get his head off. Oh, all this is tied up. Man, I put it together a month ago. How am I forgetting? Look at that. The other thing about all of this is that I am not a fan of glitter, and there's glitter everywhere. This whole thing will be, this driveway will be covered with glitter as soon as I'm done here. This is the glitter. Blech. Remember, legs, top of the tail. Oh. I know most of y'all want to mount that antlers, but I'm just ripping them off. Like that. Up there. Don't they just pull off in real life? Pluck them? Alright. Alright. They have instructions. How to set them up. So the way I believe this works, you should go over here and leg on either side. Two. Either side like two. Right there. The head. Go like so. This. Another leg here, in there, and then the other side, squeeze down here, that area. Oh my gosh, that's a deer carcass. See how fast it is? Stand up. Yeah. So that was the first deer, and like I said, you can see, I hope, in this, the glitter mess. Hopefully it's showing up in here. There's glitter everywhere. Freaking mess. Okay. And two more, and the thing is, the beauty of those two are they're smaller, so they don't have antlers. They're a little bit easier to make. So I'm going to put those together real quick and throw them in the box, and hopefully we'll be able to put this box away for the year. Okay, so this is the worst part about this. Baby deer. Mom and Dad in the box. How does baby deer fit in the box with Mom and Dad in there? This is part of the puzzle that last year had this thing where I couldn't close the box. I do not remember how it was packed in the box the first year I got it. You know, if the baby deer left home and moved out, we wouldn't have this problem, would we? So maybe, go get a job. Go get your own place. Be free. Leave the home. Empty nest. Mom and Dad look so much happier already, don't they? Freaking kids always messing things up. Okay, so now, use the light bulb, or the lamp post, as it's called. Probably can't hear me. Lamp post into this box. I do this on the floor. No. I think I'm going to do that on the floor. You probably won't be able to see much from back here. Are you? No. I'll move this filming situation a little closer. Is that going to work? I guess. Y'all don't want to see me hike up my pants, do you? Alright, so, the way this guy comes apart. Ow, there's a nail. Start dumping it into the box. All the pieces go in. Yeah, that was so easy, honestly. Yeah, I broke that nail. So I broke the nail, but also, all I'm putting is Christmas decorations away, and I'm freaking bleeding. Can you see this? How did the deer get me? The deer got back. Okay, so that's it. I just gotta tape this stuff up. And I think Christmas will be fully removed. I don't think I left anything out here. Yeah, I think that's it for Christmas. I gotta cut my nails. Yay! Christmas decorations are done. So that was the chore for today. A very small one. I got other crap to do, but that was the chore I wanted to put out here for y'all. What I'm doing today. So keeping the streak alive. Thank you to everybody that's watching. For the few people that have commented, you know, welcome back and all that stuff, or hey, it's been a long time. Appreciate you. I miss doing this. I'm kind of glad I'm back into it. It's kind of fun. Got to get a better camera going here, but you know, and I hope the stream thing, I hope that stream, I hope anybody cares about it. Like I said, it keeps me accountable. If I have to stream, which I'm going to hope to do some tonight, I get to work on my code, and you know, you can't get a website built if you don't work on it. So that's what I'm doing, and that's why I'm doing this, and also to try to get all of this garbage done. What a friggin' mess this place is. And the wife just brought that out here. And the penguin, we're going to try to see if we can keep him alive next year. He's over here in parts. You can maybe see him here. He's, the blower wasn't working on him. He wasn't staying blown up this year. So I'm going to rip the blower out of the old snowman, because he has more holes in him than being a snowman. So he's dead, but I'm going to take his blower out, try to plug it into there, but that one has different lights, so I'm going to try to wire all that up, and we'll see. Either, like I said on my Facebook, I said either I'm going to have a very healthy penguin, or he'll be on fire next year. We'll see. I may have a penguin and a snowman out there burning on fire. Who knows? We'll see. you know, these things are fluid. This whole thing is fluid. And I got a year to figure this one out, so. Yeah, so until the next one, hopefully tomorrow, I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. I gotta call my mother, but that ain't getting filmed. I have no idea. Maybe the stream upload from tonight will be what tomorrow's video is. But whatever it is, hope to see you in the next one, and appreciate all the viewers. And of course, any comments, likes, subscribes, all those things help. And my daughter's got her friend coming over today, and I think they're going to try to make a YouTube video. As I told her, I said, you want to make videos, you do it. I'll put it together and put it up on YouTube, but I'm not going to be the director. I'm trying to control it and force you and make you guys film stuff. So if they come up with something they want to do, I'm more than happy to do the finishing pieces. But anyway, we'll see what that goes. I'll definitely let y'all know if that happens. And appreciate all the viewers, appreciate the watches, the likes, the subscribes. See y'all next time. Thanks. Bye.